How to use VPS for Forex trading. Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we'll talk about virtual private server. Definition is virtual private server is hosting that virtually mimic the dictated server environments with a shared server. VPS stands for virtual private server. VPS act like isolated server, and unlike shared hosting, it works like its own private server. What I want to tell you, my friends, virtual private server is as you have your another PC that will work 24 hours and you do not need to buy the whole dedicated server. And I will show you what is the good, especially for Forex traders. The first thing that's good in Forex trading, when you can have MetaTrader account, for example, MetaTrader 4 or 5, where you can install on virtual private server, run it, and your expert advisor can open trades 24 hours per day. Your PC will be shut down, you will sleep, but your virtual private server will be online, your MetaTrader platform will be online, and you can earn money or make loss during your sleep. So, the first question what I want to tell you is, can you get VPS for only $10? Yes. The picture is from the website, I think, virtual private servers for Forex traders, and the price for me are a little bit higher. For me, it's too higher. And I can tell you that you can get very cheap, I need to say the cheapest virtual private servers for Forex traders on the company interest server, and you have a link just below this YouTube video. So go to that link, you can sign up, and when you sign up you will see a dashboard like you see right now. Here you can buy virtual private servers, the dictated servers, shared hosting, whatever you like, but you can purchase for 1 month virtual private server, and you can buy various virtual private servers. Like now, you can see that I had in the past 4 virtual private servers. In the past, I don't have any more than, and I paid $20. Why $20? It's because I wanted 2 CPU, 2 processors to have on that virtual private server. If you want to have 1, you will pay $10. If you want to have 2, you will pay $20. If you want to pay 3, etc., you will see how that's going up. I will just go back slide before. You see here, for 1 core CPU you will pay $30, and for 2 you will pay $34. You see, if you go to this link that I provide you, you will get 2 CPUs, 2 core CPUs for $20 and 1 for $10. So it will be 3 times less. And my recommendation is, whenever you find on internet best deal, to go there. You don't need to use my link, you can find some other, no problem, but I can tell in my experience, the cheapest VPS servers for Linux are $8 and for Windows are $10. And I can guarantee that you cannot find quality servers below that price. So please find a virtual private server for $10 per month. Like I said, you can download below this video, and we will go further. When you purchase and pay $10, the hosting company will provide you username, password, like for every kind of platforms. What you need to do, you will go to your PC and you'll type MSTSC, and you will get, or you can type remote desktop connection, and then you will get application that calls remote desktop connection, and here you will put computer in the field computer. You will put the IP address that you got, and in the username you will put usually administrator or some other username that hosting company will provide. Then you will put in password, and you can save password so you can log in whenever you want without to type again, and you just press connect. When you press connect, you will see the new window, and that moment you will see virtual private server. Actually, you will see another PC. So in this moment you will manage 2 PCs. One, it's your computer, and the second one, it's a virtual private server, some other computer somewhere else that you can manage and use 24 hours per day, and only for $10. And this is the great stuff. You can switch between your virtual private server and your computer just pressing this icon. As you can see, the monitor, blue screen monitor on your screen. You just press on your taskbar and you can move from one to another, and it's very easy to use. Actually, virtual private server is a classic Windows computer. So when you log in, you can install Mozilla or Chrome. You can download applications. You can download some browser on the virtual private server. You can type your hosting company. For example, you can type Alperi or FX Pro or Instant Forex, or you can EHM, or you can type whatever broker you use. If you don't use any broker, you have broker recommendations on my website. You can links just below this video. However, you can go to the website, download MetaTrader platform, install as same as on your PC. So all process is as same as you use Windows your own. And I will not describe that because it's a just classic installation. Just you don't install on your PC, you install on virtual private server. And on the end, when you install MetaTrader platform, you can use the login and password as same as you provided for your MetaTrader platform. Sometimes, for example, you can have opened MetaTrader platform username and password in the same time on your PC and in the same time on your virtual private server. But the difference is there because your MetaTrader platform on virtual private server will be up 24 hours per day. And of course, your PC, you will shut down every day, and you will not use it all the time. And the good thing is, if you use expert advisors, that expert advisor can work 24 hours per day. And this is the reason why people use virtual private servers as Forex traders, because the expert advisors can work whole day. Right now on this screen, I'm just showing that you can go, when you install MetaTrader on your virtual private server, you can go to the tools and then options. And in options, you can go to charts. And in charts, you see max bears in history. My recommendation for you is to put some small number here, for example, 200, something like that. Why? Because you want that your MetaTrader platform has a very small CPU resource, and you want to spare the energy, and you want to spare the overload of your virtual private server. And in that case, you can add several MetaTrader platforms. I will now share my experience. So with 2 core CPUs, for example, I can put 6, 7, 8 MetaTrader platforms to work in the same time without any kind of problem. I did that in the past. If you buy only one CPU and pay $10, you can put 4 MetaTrader platforms and work without any problem. Maybe you can add more if you need it, no problem. If you need, you can put several MetaTrader platforms. I think that will be no kind of problems. Of course, if you have some custom complicated indicators, this can be problem if you have that kind of complicated indicators. But usually, if you don't, there's no problem. Your MetaTrader platforms will work with any kind of problem. So what I want to share here is that you can use virtual private servers all the time and 24 hours per day, and this is the huge opportunity for you. Using virtual private server is as same as you use your PC. You can install software, you can install whatever you want. You can install Excel, Word, MetaTrader platform. You can install some drawing tools. You can install whatever you want and use whole month for only $10. And this is the good deal. So for my advice, if you like expert advice, if you use expert advisors and you want to use the virtual private servers, use this video, use this information, and I hope that you will enjoy that. I wish you a great day, and bye-bye.